Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the mosaic stone material procedurally. Okay, first separate the screen and make them the shader editor. And here I take the sphere for presentation and I just multiply by 2 for better resolutions. Okay, change it to cycles. Okay, now take a new and delete this BSDF and take a displacement node and then take a mix shader and then connect this mix shader with the surface displacement with the displacement and sorry, I also switch to the material preview and then I take a Voronoi texture and take a diffuse node. Okay, yes, and I connect this Voronoi texture with the height and one is with this factor. Good, and then I connect this BSDF with the shader node and yes, I change the value of mid-level with 0, no need of this one, and a scale should be 0.1 and now I take a mapping node. Just delete this mapping and connect this texture coordinate to generate with vector. And then for color, I take a RGB. For example, I take a RGB. Yes, and connect this RGB with this color. And now let's change the color. For example, I take this one. Okay, yeah, it's like nice. And then for scaling, I use the Voronoi texture scaling node. So just increase this one so it increase the mosaic style, decrease this one, decrease one, or you just play with this value according to your need. So I just put the 15 over here and yes, now it's completed. I hope you like it, and then if you want to change the color, so it's depend on you how to change the color of this one. Well, I like this one, so that's why. Okay, I hope you enjoy. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye.